going to be remaking a golden rose soap that I did a few years ago with a little bit of a change in the fragrance. I'm going to be using rose gold, which is what I used last time, but I'm also going to be mixing in a little tiny bit of rose quartz. I just have a little bit of this left over. Both of these behave very, very well, and they are both from Brambleberry, so that's going to be a beautiful fragrance. For the colors, I have 3 different colors. I have Pink Lemonade from Nurture Soap. I have Angry Rose. I haven't used this one yet. This is Mad Micas. And then I have Yellow Baby Duck, and this is Wholesale Supplies Plus. So I've got those ready to go. I think those will be pretty colors. I'm going to do kind of some drop swirls, some probably in the pot type swirls with that for the base of the color. And then on top, I have these little cold process roses that I made, 2 different colors of pink. I went ahead and I've got these little grids so I can kind of eyeball where I'm going to be putting it on the top. And then I have these are little piped leaves that I did. So when I made this the last time, I actually piped the roses, not the roses, sorry, the leaves on the soap itself. And these are ones I had leftover batter, so I piped it on some parchment paper and then I froze them, and these have been sitting in the freezer nice and snug, so they are ready to use. I've got 2 different sizes, and I will just place those. Once I get the roses placed, I will put the leaves in on top of that as well. And I think that's everything on that, so let's go ahead and get started.